Are you ready to see the macaws, Kuya?
Yes.
Yeah? The summer stroller is out. We're gonna go see birds, Jack Jack. You excited, Kuya? Yeah? We're gonna go inside there in that building. On that building, we're gonna see a lot of birds. Are you excited?
It's a lizard. You see it over here?
It's a bearded dragon.
Leopard tortoise. Hey, look, there's one more here, Kali. It's moving. Look, this one is moving. It's so cute. Look, he's walking. So cute. Oh, iguana. Oh, iguana. A for iguana. He's so big.
He's so fluffy.
So fluffy birdie. Are you seeing all these birds, Jack? Yeah. Wow. Choop. You see it, Callie? Here, over here, Callie. Whoa, he's swimming so fast. Whoop. He's a Howard, an albino turtle. A river turtle. Hi. Yan, oh. Right there. Kuya. Where's Kali? Eyes is just like a snake. Cute. Hey, you wanna see yourself? That's you.
Ain't no way.
Looks like that.
It's shiny. It's glistening. What do you see? You see Ray? That's Ray.
Wait.
Yeah. He's a macaw.
Gray is mad.
And your growl. Good. Can you take a big bow? Good girl. Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Wow. Wait. Look, Kali, there's birds everywhere. Yeah. Look, Kali, above you. Right there. Up. It's a small bird. Like a Tweety bird. Hello. Oh! Yeah, it's a yellow bird. He has a stick in his mouth. Look. Oh! Hello. Kali. Oh! He keeps flying. Cute. Pwede ka po siya gatsaan. Whoa! Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, do you see the frog? Oh my. Those are so cute and different.
arrow frogs.
Oh. You see the frogs there? They're small. There's one right there. Oh, what's that, a cricket? I think that's their food. You haven't caught it. Oh, what? Mister. Oh, Kuya, look at the bats. They're all in the corner.
Kuya? Fruit bat.
Here, fruit bat like Bluey. Callie, here, look, there's a bird.
Look, a bird. The white one.
The pink one. Oh yeah, that's where that is. They're over there, babe.
Go. Wait.
Yeah, race? Wanna race? Go! Race? Okay, watch out. But Kali, slow down. You're going fast. Jack, do you see the birds? Ano yan? Oh, it's so big. What do you see? Do you see the birds, Jack? You see the birds? Yeah? Go? The birds go? Birds everywhere. What's that? Whoa, okay, move to the left. Left. I think you're pink. The pink is you're a scarlet ibis. Can you hold Kuya baby Karl?
Hi, kids. Mahangin because of my fan. Check. We are next. Bird feeding. $5 lang. $5 for one cup. Doesn't matter how many you guys are going. Oh,
The birds?
sa mga bugat naman yung mga bata ah.
Oh.
Guys,
Hi.
do we have tickets?
Yes.
Ticket, thank
Thank you.
Okay. Hey, look, Mimi's holding a nectar. Look at the birds.
Oh my goodness. Oh, drinking. Oh, is he scared?
We can't touch it. Only... I'm gonna go behind you.
Oh, are you okay? Yeah, did you do that to yourself? Huh? You shivers. Oh, oh. You shivers. You shivers.
Mama, what are you gonna do?
I have two birds. I only signed up for one.
Bigat.
No.
Bakit?
No. They only look.
Come here, Kuya. Ngayon, come here. You can see their face. Look, they're drinking together. Asking for
Wait, no fighting. No
Hey,
fighting.
they're fighting. They want to drink. Kaya kuya.
No fighting.
Ah, hey, they're fighting. They want to drink the
Oh, you
nectar.
guys are so pretty.
Climb, climb, climb. Climb, climb, climb. Climb, climb, climb. Going higher. Whoa. One, two, three, smile. One more. Kylie, look here. Katada. Kylie, look at them.
What? Yeah, flamingo. Oh, careful. Kuya, kuya, don't lean. Because those are mga ite. Those are their poop.
Kylie.
Right there, right there.
Look.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Where is it gonna go? Is it gonna fly?
He's gonna jump.
It's gonna jump. Whoa!
Oh. You gonna jump with him? Are this a canary?
Is he lying down? They are called highest, hi, hyacinth macaw. Ni. The big tortoise. So cute. This is not a lot, but everywhere. Yeah. They're just everywhere. Birds are everywhere. It's a turtle. Scandal.
Get a room.
So many snakes.
So many snakes.
So many.
So many.
Nagdara sa parking dyan, pero dito ka na.
Oh my gosh. Wala elevator? Bro, this is the way going down. I thought there's no elevator. Good thing there is boarding that way. It's a long walk from Clifton Hill. And here we are. So there's a parking for stroller here.
So what are we gonna bring?
Just thoughts and prayers that nobody would steal our stuff. Okay?
Say hi. Whee! We're gonna go to the boat, Callie. Callie, say hi. Woo! There's water. Wait. Go. Go upstairs. Slippery. Slippery. Whee! Kuya.
We hope you enjoy your boat.
We're leaving the Pangpang. Saan yung harap? Ano pala yung harap? Oh, everyone's gonna start running to the other side. Saan yung harap? Oh, we're just reversing. Whee! Say bye! Bye! Whee! Wow! Jack! Jack, Jack! Where are you going? Kung saan, mamaya pag malakas na yung mist, si Jack Jack, cover mo na lang sa loob. me. Our fob dreams.
Hello?
Our fob dreams. It's another boat. Yeah.
All stunts were performed from the Canadian horseshoe falls, or 8,800 liters
Jack.
per second. And a recent notable
Callie.
waterfall. In 1954, a
you
large
getting
section
wet?
broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridalveil Falls, the smallest of the three waterfalls. It is separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridalveil Falls.
Whoa. Whoa, Mimi, no hands? Whoa. Hello. Callie, smile. This is your first boat ride? It's just gripping the cellophane. Are you okay? Yeah. Wee! So windy! Kuya, can you see? Yeah, Kuya, this is it!
Babe, you have to turn it on now.
It's on! Oh my gosh, you're getting wet! You have to put a Kali! Kali, put your hat! Kali, put your hat! Woo! Oh no! Ah! Put your hat! Oh, let's go over there, Kuya! Let's go over there! Ah! Babe, Jack! Oh my gosh! Let's get a snook! You need help with this one? Yeah. Put your hand. This is a mistake. Can we go home? Okay, can you hold Mimi? Or hold here? You guys okay? Jack, Kali! Ah! Wait, have you seen the fall?
We are near the falls. Wow! Callie! Hey, Jack! 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 Jack looks wet.
Jack!
How are you?
So that's the US. That's the Canada. That's the Philippines. Oh, yung journey behind the falls. How long do we stay? Okay na kami. Pwede na kami umuwi. Okay, finally calm down. Whee! Kali, can you jump? Kali! You okay? Yeah! Back to the US. Alright, after the experience, Jack out of the shower.
Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya Baby Karl.
Coolie baby cow.
Okay, one, two,
2, 3, go. One, two, three, smile.
Smile.